Okay. Trying to get it into, okay. So this is one, this right here revolved from a gift bag. So I got some of my Christmas in a gift bag. And Mr. and Mrs. Snowman, they got the glitter here. But the back, and this is part of the bag too. In the back of the bag, I got Mr. and Mrs. Snowman, but it's just plain, no glitter. So I decided to go ahead and mat both of those down for my book. Look at this. So yeah, this is my book. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna put something, add something there. But this book is so cute. Let me see if I can move this camera just a little, guys, without. Okay. So look. It's so much goodness in this book. I don't even know where to start. But Miss Sandy Creative Designs, just go to YouTube, Google 10x10 portfolio, and you'll get her tutorial. She has 5 lessons on how to make the 10x10. 5 lessons, and I listened and looked at all 5 as though I was in a classroom, because that's what I do. Before I decide to do something, I'm going to study it. But this has got all kinds of pockets, magnets. I even say this is a little gift bag. I had an ornament in it. I decided to keep that. This does not belong under here. Hold on, guys. Let me move this out of the way. Yeah. So this goes like, hold on. This opens here also. It's the way I did it. I don't, so you can go like that, open it, but you got to do it that way. And then we can do it like this. It's supposed to be a magnet, I think. Yeah, a little magnet. For some reason, I don't know, it's not doing anything. I should have put a piece of bear clothes on it, and I have to glue that little corner together. But anyway, look. Now this magnet works. Look at this, guys. See, you hear that? That one works. Some of them do work pretty good. Some of them don't. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. But I had ordered them from Amazon, the little ones that are 100. You get 100 little 1 centimeter ones, I think it is. I think that's the size. Anyway, here is a pocket in this one. A photo mat card. You can put a photo card. Something encouraging. I go to the Salvation Army to worship and I sing. And they were giving this out for this time of the year. The birth of Christ is what the focus is on. Go like that, and that. And then here's another little thing. I did this morning. I decided to make a little pocket box and include all the little papers. You know, the front sheet. I cut them out. This is all the little papers. It's from the collection, where did I put that? Mistletoe Lodge. These papers are from the collection. Now, the polka dot ones are not. I had to get some, but this collection is from the Mistletoe Lodge. So all I did was made a little pocket, slip that in, right there. Keep that, because those are memories. Here's another little area. It's not going to fold. Well, it will fold, but I mean, yeah, there we go. But anyway, it's 5 signatures, 10 pages of goodness, guys. 10 pages, back and front. Oh my God. And she don't do an, Miss Sandy, she does not do the little pocket like we got in 8x8. Like in an 8x8, you can slip something inside. We don't have that in this one. We did this. See, all these, you can add stuff inside of every one of these. See, they open. Every one. I kid you not, I put my hand in it. These portfolios are so strong. I love them. I am addicted, y'all guys. So that's the 8x8. This is the 10x10. But hold up. I didn't stop there. Let me show you where I started with the 12x12. So I got the 12x12, guys. I don't think this is going to fit in the camera. A 12x12 with a 5. Let me see, this spine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. It's a 5.5. And I'm doing this from the collection. It's going to be a farmhouse. Let me see if I can get the book. Hold up, guys. Give me a minute. It's from Farmhouse Fresh, Park Lane. So Park Lane Farmhouse. And I'm also going to put, farmhouse, I'm going to put sunflowers with it. So I've already got my 5 pages. I've done page 1. It's already done. Flip it over. Page 2. It's already done. I'm just thinking about the things that I want to do. You can mount a picture here and here. There. Front. Boom, boom. So this is one that's already done. This is a 12x12. Or 12x11.5. Something like that. But all my pages fit well. Miss Sandy, I love your spine method. So what I did, I went with the size you had other than increasing it to fit this 12x12, which I did 11. So this is 11.5. But everything else is still the same. Like your, I did the spine the same way as you do it on the 10x10. But I cut out 2 6 3/4, I'm sorry, by 11.5. And then I got the scoring. And then I did 2 at 4 3/4 by 11.5. And you do some gluing. And the way she has it, it shows a little 1/4 inch mark. You don't want to put your page past that. Each one of them, most of them do have the, Yep. They got the 1/4 mark, every one of them. It's right. Yep. So, oh my God, I love this. 12x12. Guys, when I finish designing this, I'm going to show it off. But I'm about to post this on my YouTube channel, Lorraine Murphy. And I got some sewing tutorials. I got a few, I'm trying to look at the minutes. I got to stop. I have a few sewing and paper bead making and a lot of little things I got going on. Anyway, guys, it was on my mind. I said, I wonder, can I do a 12x12? Those beautiful whole sheets, why not? Take advantage of using those. Look at that wood paper. I love it. Front and back. And I love this white wood. Look at that. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna finish designing it, and then I will show you what I've done. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye. Okay, that stopped. Guys, I'm using this, see that camera thing right there? I'm using that. Something new. I got it from Best Buy. Yeah, so it'll get better for me. Also got a computer. That's got a camera and I can use it. But I'm trying to just get better with these little gadgets I got here. Y'all have a good one.